We're rolling, right?
Yeah.
Ready, Freddy? Freddy's ready. I am ready. No, I don't want to do that all the time. It's so boring. Hi, welcome back.
Okay.
So thank you so much, guys.
And 3, 2, action.
Guys, I want to, start. I want to start. If I can start, that would be great. Okay, so I can start one more time. This is Shamrock, right? I guess. Where's my girl? Where's my girl? It's a shamrock. She's right. It's a shamrock. So hopefully we'll edit some part of it. Gimmicky. I broke that, but luckily I know what to do with that. National. Hi. Hi. What are people doing? I don't know what's going on. Okay. This is not the right spray. OMG, what's wrong with me today? It's here. I found it. Are you really rolling?
Yes.
You're rolling. You know you can turn it off now. What do I have to do to get the fucking shot? What I do have to do to get a fucking shot? Jack, let me tell you something. It's a flavor. See, because mine is all like silky smooth. I use nice products.
Like shining by
Yeah, because I use an Estee Lauder at the airport. I was like, oh, give me something shiny.
Check, check.
Cha, 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 cha. They just used my body on my toes.
My microphone.
What do you want? I want to be able to shoot. They said, are you ready? I'm not ready, but let me start rolling anyways, if that's what you want. Hi, so, guys. Colin's like, you're having too much fun. I might as well have fun now because I'm going to be stressed later. But I'm going to use a cold glue. Whoops. 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 So that's not supposed to happen, right? But the magic of you don't want this to be with air, because when you have it with air, it dries up the glue faster. Let me get my breath. Anyways, today, yeah, that's good.
And 3, 2, action.
Oh God, I'm laughing because, and there you have it. You have it. You have it. You have it. There you have it. There you have it. I've got some magical energy today for some odd reason. I am back to another. Excuse me. Sorry, one more time. I need water. One more time. Let's go. Really somewhere nice. I don't even know what these are called. These are some kind of grass. I can't do this right now. Oh my God. Oh, I can't. Apparently no one knows how to clean fucking tables here, but that's fine. Ready? Oh. Okay, hold on. You should have seen how I was oh, you were there when I was dancing on Saturday, huh? I was in a good mood. I was like the party guy. Wasn't I the party guy?
Yeah.
I was just going here, there, everywhere. I am ready, my friend. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, go. Do you have to be in my face?
Okay.
I can't even speak. Why can't I speak? I lost my energy. It's not easy. What I do is not easy. It looks easy because you don't see the behind the scenes.